Reworking a crochet bolero. Took out the sleeve and filled in the original cap of the sleeve in order to add length and width to the sleeve. Working with a larger weight yarn than the one used on the original because I wanted to work with what I had. It added a fun contrast to the bolero, especially the sleeve, with a wave-like detail. Filling in the cap was experimental. Didn't really know what I was doing with the first sleeve. Undid and redid it a few times. Happy with what I ended up with. The bolero is made using a diamond mesh stitch, so I did too. At the base I chained 3 and then did a single crochet into a loop below to create my first loop, then went back and forth from one side of the sleeve to the other, adding a new loop to either side to increase. Did this until the cap was filled. Then went round to add length. Once I reached my desired length, tried to attach the sleeve without adding a new sleeve cap. The fit was very uncomfortable under the arm. Had to remove the sleeve, added a sleeve cap using a sleeve pattern I previously drafted as a guide, reattached the sleeve again. The fit under the arm was so much better, pretty happy with the results, though the top portion of the sleeve isn't as snug as I would have liked.
So I finished the first one.
Then added to the border of the bolero, searched for a similar flower stitch to what was already on the border of the original, found the perfect one, linked below. The flower stitch pattern is completed with 2 rows, bottom portion of flowers done the first row and top half the second row. Did the 2 rows all the way round the bolero, and another 2 rows just along the front. The flowers and leaves were next. I had a lot of fun with these, crocheted carnations and roses, link to tutorials below. Hooks and eyes were also added.
Bye, have a great time.